Hi there, and welcome to the weekly wrap video. So in terms of what we've seen this week, attention was very much on the minutes releases from the ECB and the Fed. Start with the ECB, which was very much a non-event. However, it is worth noting that they did state that several ECB members felt that it would be prudent for them to cut rates further, and they also felt that the current ECB scheme is too complex. Moving on to the FOMC minutes, they were initially greeted with some curve flattening and dollar weakness. This came after the headline, which stated that several Fed members felt that they would be against a rate hike in April, and they also stated that given the current global environment, it would be prudent for the FOMC to be cautious in terms of their rate hike path. However, we did see a lot of this initial volatility pair. This came after further reports stating that a couple of Fed members, rather than just Esther George, who was the lone dissenter in March, were in favour of a rate hike in March, alongside stating that some would be in favour of an April rate hike. And furthermore, they also stated that several FOMC members felt that the US economy has been more resilient given the current global conditions. In other news this week, we've also seen weakness in dollar yen. This comes after continued appreciation in the Japanese yen. However, it has been very hard going, with virtually every major handle in dollar yen being defended hard amid BOJ intervention, which is still very much touted at further levels. In terms of the major stock news of this week, attention was fully on the potential merger between Allergan and Pfizer, which did fall apart this week after the IRS and the Department of Justice came out stating that they will change their corporate tax inversion laws, and as such, it did see it very quickly fall apart. Looking ahead to next week, we have the CPI and the GDP readings from China. We also have the CPI readings from the likes of the UK and Germany. And furthermore, we have the Bank of Canada rate decision, and focus will also be on any comments as we do lead up to the meeting between OPEC and non-OPEC members in Doha next weekend. That's it from me. Wish you a very good weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.